In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix "Sorry, we are unable to handle your request at this time" in Rockstar Games. So first things first, this means that we are having some problems on our network side of things. So to fix this, you want to head over to your Windows logo and you simply want to search for date and time settings. You also can try to restart your router, restart your Wi-Fi, make sure that everything is connected securely. From there, you want to make sure that the set time automatically is turned on. You want to make sure that the time zone matches the place that you're currently on. For example, if you're on United States, you want to go ahead and look it up right here. After making sure that your time is set automatically, you also want to make sure to synchronize your clock. So just click on the sync now button, and from there it will sync the clock on your Windows computer. Now, we also want to make sure to exit out your launcher. For example, if you're using GTA or any Rockstar games on Steam, Epic Games, you want to go ahead and exit those out. If your Rockstar launcher is open up, you also want to close that out. From there, you want to head over to rockstargames.com, head over to your account, and then click on Settings. Inside Settings, click on Linked Accounts. And basically, you want to unbind your account on connected networks like Steam, Xbox, Google, or Epic Games. From there, you then want to simply click on the link account once more and you will be able to fix this problem. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.